Homemade pizza. Mix flour, salt, and yeast together in the mixer. Add water and oil and make the dough. Let it rise. Chop up the toppings. Check the dough. Grease the pan properly. Flour the surface. Roll out the pizza dough. Put the sauce on. Spread evenly. Make tiny holes with a fork. Sprinkle the cheese. Put the rest of the toppings. Add the veggies. More cheese. Cut the dough as shown. Fold it over the toppings. Do this all around the pizza. Add oregano and olives. Now it's ready for the oven. Bake it until the crust is golden brown. And it's ready. Serve with fries. Full recipe in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Serve warm. Share with family and friends. Comment below what else would you like. The perfect combination: golden brown, soft, and cheesy. Thanks for watching.